Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Room for You. Today I will show you how to download the Eclipse, how to install the Eclipse, uh, how to create the project, close the project, open the project, import the project, how to create first Java file. Okay, so let's start. This video is basically for those who have just started Java programming and they are new for Eclipse is new for them. Okay, so for this I am assuming that you have installed Java on your machine. So let's start. So this is the official website of Eclipse. You may download your Eclipse IDE from this website. Okay, so just go to the download package. See, Eclipse is already available for Windows, Mac, Linux. If you are using Windows, you may click on 64-bit. You will get this page, and here you can see that this zip file. You need to download this zip file. See, this download has started. So it's a 208 MB. So it will take very large time to download. So for the time for to save the time, I just downloaded this application. Once you download this application, you unzip the file and go to that folder. So this is a folder. In that folder, click on this Eclipse application. You may create a shortcut on desktop, or you may go to this directory and click this file. So it is better to create a shortcut on desktop. Okay, so I have created this desktop. So double click on Eclipse and open the Eclipse page. Okay, so when you open this, let me close this application. Okay, so I'm opening this ID. There are a lot of IDs are available in the market, like NetBeans is there, IntelliJ IDEA is there, Eclipse is there, but people generally refer this Eclipse application, Eclipse ID. Okay, so this is the landing page. When you open the Eclipse, you will get this welcome page. Here you can see that overview, tutorial, sample, a bit information about the Eclipse has given. Okay, so you may close it. So this window, Project Explorer, it shows the projects which you have created, on which project you are working. Okay, so I will create one project here. So for that, how to create a project, just go to File, New. There are a lot of options are there: Enterprise application, Dynamic web application. This is for developing web related applications, EJB connector project. So I want to create a core Java project. So I will click on project. Next, let me give one name, first projects. Just this is for just demonstration purpose, but you give a proper name according to your project requirement. Okay, so I created this project. Click on next, finish. See, you can see that this first project is created and it present at the first place in Project Explorer window. Why it is on in first place? Because when you create a project, it will display on Project Explorer window according to the alphabetical order. So it is at first position. Okay, so this is how we can create the project. Now suppose I want to clean the project. There is one more option. There is an option in project. Go to the clean. See, you can see that clean all projects. So it contains all the projects that are open in the Project Explorer window. Okay, so suppose I don't want to use this my project for a long time, so I can, instead of making it open, I can close it. Okay, so how to close this project? Just right click on this project and click on close project. When you click on close project, see the icon has changed. Now the project is closed. You cannot edit the file in this project. Also, there is no dependency between these open projects with these closed projects. And one more benefit is there: when you want to clean all the projects in the Project Explorer, see here you can see that that closed project has gone from this list. Okay, so this is one benefit. Actually, there are a lot of benefit to closing the project, but this is one of the major benefit. And suppose you want to clean a particular project, you can select this option and clean a particular project. Okay, so this is how we can close the project. Suppose in future I want to use this project again. Instead of you can open this project. So for that, you just need to right click on this project open the project. See, the icon has changed. That means the project is now open. You can edit the content. You can the other project, open project can use the dependency of that open project. So this is how we can close the project, open the project. Suppose there are a lot of project in Project Explorer window, and some projects we don't want to see in Project Explorer window, because sometimes there are a lot of project lists are in a Project Explorer, and it is very cumbersome uh, to handle such projects. So it is better, if you are not using it for a long time, to remove it from Project Explorer window. So how to remove a project from Project Explorer window? So for that you need to go on, let me delete this project. Right click and select the delete option. When you select the delete option, it will pop up one dialog box. It will ask delete the project content on desk. Okay, if you select this checkbox, it will delete from your computer and it cannot be undone. So don't do that unless and until you don't want to use this project for in future. Okay, so it is better to do not delete this project. If you want it for future reference, just delete it from this Project Explorer window. So for that, uncheck this option and click on OK. Now this project has gone from Project Explorer window, but all these projects are stored in a workspace. So where is that workspace? So you can see the workspace. To click on File, Other. Okay, so this is my current workspace, desktop workspace. So this is a workspace. I have created this workspace on desktop just for demo purpose. So when you click on this file, you can see that there are all the projects which are present in the Project Explorer window, as well as you deleted it from the Project Explorer window, are present in this directory. So workspace is a directory where all the projects are stored along with some configurations file of Eclipse for this workspace. Okay, so here the sample project, no, sorry, which one I deleted? Okay, for my project, I have deleted this project, and it is deleted from Project Explorer window only, but it is present in the workspace. Okay, so I suppose I want to this project back to the Project Explorer window. We can do that by importing the project. So for that, what you want to do, just click File, Import existing project into workspace. It will ask whether that project is present in the workspace or not. If not, select the browse and go to the other location where your project is present. But now it is present in the workspace, that's why I selected that option. Click on sample project, sorry, not sample project, first, sorry, which one is there? My project. Okay, I will click on my project, select my project, click on OK. When I click on finish, see, you can see that our project is come back in a Project Explorer window. So this way how we can import the project. Now I want to create a file. Suppose so to create a Java file, just go to the source file, create one package. You may create a file directly, but it is better to create a package. Okay, so let me create the package. This is my package. In that package, I want to create one file. Create a Java file. FIR first program. See, I have created this file. Suppose I want to create one more file, I can go to the file class second. I can also use this check this option to get public static void in my program. So I got this statement over here. Okay, so this way we can create a Java file, and whatever the coding which you want to do, you can do at this location. Okay, at this window. So this is how we can create the project, we can close the project, we can open the project, we can import the project. So these are basic things for those who are beginners. So I request you, if you like this channel, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you will get the notifications on updated videos. This video is exclusively for Java beginners only. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thank you.